Hello student, this is Neeraj Pratap Singh and today we are going to learn part 2 chapter. Previously we had finished part 1, the sound of music, and today we will finish the part 2. So this is the story of Bismillah Khan. Okay, the Shahnai of Bismillah Khan, the name of this chapter, means the part 2 is the Shahnai of Bismillah. So in this chapter we will learn about the Shahnai and the Bismillah. So first of all, before going to start the chapter, we will understand the history of Shahnai. At the ancient time, at the time of when the Aurangzeb was a king, that time here was a type of a music instrument that named pungi, that is performed in any type of ceremonies in a court premises. So that time Aurangzeb do not like that type of means the sound produced by pungi, because it is an annoying sound, means it is a irritating sound. So he has banned that type of music instrument, means the Shahnai, and after banning it, no one is allowed to perform any type of music related to pungi. So here was the history of Shahnai. So when pungi was banned, one day barber came to the court of Aurangzeb, and he just discovered the another thing that is related to pungi, means what he did, he just make a long pipe like structure, means he had just increased the length of the pungi and made 7 holes in it, and when he blowed the air in the pungi, means the instrument, that time the sound was different. So this sound is related to Shahnai, means that was the Shahnai. So what happened after that, when Shahnai was made, it produces very much, means a good sound, means a audible sound. It is called, means the music of Shahnai. So it is performed in a that was performed in a king's court, means in a darbar, the Shah's court, and that was created by a naib, so that it name become Shahnai. So that was the history of Shahnai. After that we will go to the beginning of Ustad Bismillah Khan. When he was at the age of, he born at 21st March 1960. When he was age of 3 years, his uncle and all the family members are very fond of music, means they are musician. They plays a different type of music system. So at the beginning of his age, he got the experiences, experience according to the music, means depending on the music. So at the age of 5 years, he learned the different type of music and the Shahnai also, and he sing a lot of song in temple place, and he was belonging to Dumrao, Bihar. So he performed Bhojpuri song. Here is a Chaita song that was performed by Bismillah Khan at the age of 5 years. When he was at the age of 14 years, he went to the Allahabad music conference with his uncle, and there he performed a very good performance, means he performed very well, and after that people just loved him. He got a very good chance in 1938 in All India Radio. He got the chance to perform his music in All India Radio in 1938. And when we were independent in 1947, at the presence of Jawaharlal Nehru and Mahatma Gandhi, he plays the Shahnai in front of me to welcome our nation. His first trip was of Afghanistan. He went to different countries, but the first trip was Afghanistan. I have written all the things point by point. You can just take a pause and or just click a photograph, and if you will collect all the points, here is a lots of point that will help you in your question answer. Okay, means if you will do your question answer segment, that time this will be helpful for you. After that, here we will talk about the films. Here is a film that is Goonj Uthi Sahnai. In this movie, he sung a song that was a very popular song, and in a South Indian movie, that is Sanadhi Apana, he performed the song also. So these are only two movies that was performed by Ustad Bismillah Khan. So after that, he don't like the glamorous world, so that after completing these two movies, he do not do any type of activity in a cinema field. The performance was the Lincoln Central Hall. He has performed a lot of concert hall, performed in a lots of concert hall. So it was a Lincoln Central Hall, and the World Exposition, Canon Art Festival, Osaka Trade Fair. These all are a very good platform. Means if you do not have any capability or capacity, you can't reach here. Means these are the very good stage that are performed by Bismillah Khan, and he also internationally famous. Here is a Tehran auditorium where the named after Bismillah Khan, Tehran Mosque Ustad Bismillah Khan, means the name was changed for Bismillah Khan, the Tehran Mosque Ustad Bismillah Khan. Now we will conclude it. Means the awards he got the award of Padam Shri, Padam Bhushan, Padam Vibhushan, Bharat Ratna. Lot of, means the main awards that is given by our government. He got all the awards that is given by our government. The main means we can say that the number one award that is given by our government, that is Bharat Ratna. He got the Bharat Ratna also. So that was the story of Bismillah Khan. And here I have mentioned a point, that is Banaras and Dumrao. Because he belongs to that place, he always like to be in a Banaras and Dumrao. Because here is a Dumrao, that is a Shahi, means we can say that here was a king of Dumrao, and when he was at the age of 5 years, because he belongs to that area, so when he was at the age of 5 years, when he plays any type of music in he plays any type of music in the front of people or in a temple, he got a laddu that weighed 1.25 kg. So that was the story of Bismillah Khan. I am giving you one chance to take a snap of that, and you can just take a snap, and after collecting the points, you are able to give the answer of such questions.